see me raise my hand. Okay, yeah, another unboxing. Yeah, okay, this brand is from I don't know, but it's this little yellow small envelope. Oh, I think it's from Diablo Cosmetics. Never mind, I think it's from there. Let me see, let me make sure. Okay, yeah, I'm correct. Okay, so this is their eyelash serum. So this makes your eyelashes grow. I'm almost running out of my Babe Original eyelash growth serum, and it's expensive to repurchase. So this came in clutch. They offered me to try their eyelash serum. I've only tried their like instant fast lash kit. It's like eyelash lift kit where is I already did a video on it. I didn't like it. It didn't work on my tiny little lashes. Maybe didn't do it correctly. It's a super long video trying to show you how I'm doing it. Like, no, I don't recommend. Personally, I don't know. But maybe this product works for me. We'll see. So I'm gonna open the plastic. Anything that helps my eyelashes grow, I'm up for it. Like, I have straight tiny lashes, so obviously I need a lot of growth. So this is the ingredients, a little bit about the product. So this has a unique formula of vitamins and peptides. Okay, so this makes your lashes grow longer, thicker, and healthier in just a few weeks, supposedly. Okay, so definitely check this brand out if you want. But do I recommend it? Yeah, that's all I might say. It's a small Instagram brand, and this is the second time they reached out to me for a gifted collaboration. This is not paid. So okay, this is the little tube black matte bottle. It's very tiny. It's very cute too, but okay, let's see. Oh, it doesn't really have a scent, but it's very tiny. Wow, okay, so it looks like more like an eyeliner or lash glue. It's clear. So I'm gonna test it out for you guys. So, ooh, it feels cooling. So that's basically all you do whenever you apply eyelash growth serum. You just put it on top of your root of your lashes like this, close to your eyelid, as close as you can get. That's all you have to do. Twice a day if you want, but usually I just do it once a day. Wait, this one says once a day, so every night. Okay, that's all you have to do. So this is my before. Okay, eyelash growth. Let me try and take like a picture. Oh, it's because of the fan in my hair. Because I need a screenshot for a before. Where do I look? I don't know. Would be good. Okay, so it's my before. I'm also doing a eyebrow growth serum from a different brand, but now I'm gonna use this for my eyelash. So wow, my hair, wow, my lashes and brows are gonna grow like amazing, especially right now. I need the most hair I can get. Okay, so I'm taking a lot of photos right now, so, and I need, okay, so far my eyes are not stinging, they're not burning, they feel comfortable, refreshing, like a little cold but nice, not bad, like a traditional eye serum. You're not gonna see anything unless you take pictures like every week, every 2 weeks, or just once a month. So this supposedly in a few weeks I'm gonna have a a nice set of lashes. Okay, just pretty much it for this video. Is mainly a swatch and a mini unboxing, because I still can't show you my before and after results right now. They also sent me like a little paper inside talking more about the product. So if y'all tried this eyelash serum, please let me know and tell me if it worked for you. I recommend the Babe Original Lash Growth Serum. That one helps. I already did a video about it. I showed my before and after results, so I'm not lying, it works. And this one's not paid at all either. Okay, so yay, thank you so much, Diablo Cosmetics. I'm so happy to try it out and see my results. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye, thank you so much.